Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I got my very first beauty box for November and it is Look Fantastic. The gorgeous, gorgeous dusky rose and silver design, really pretty. So if you're new to Look Fantastic, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all there is to know about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in November's Look Fantastic, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty box. It costs £15 a box and it ships worldwide. It contains 6 beauty products and you have a mix of skincare, makeup and hair care, plus you get the occasional hair tools and makeup brushes and things like that as well. I would say from being a subscriber for over 2 years that this is mainly a skincare heavy type box. I would say if you're really into your skincare, then check out Look Fantastic, especially look at like past videos. I've got a huge playlist, you're welcome to take a look there, or on Instagram, like looking at photos of past boxes and things, so you get an idea of the products that are inside to see if this box is for you. So they do a monthly subscription which you can cancel anytime, plus they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription, which brings the box price down in price. This box is a PR box, this is why I've got it early. So if you were interested in getting the November box, then you will have to wait until the 1st of November onwards to be able to get it. If you order before the 1st of November, you will receive the October box and then your subscription will carry on that way. All links and everything related to the subscription and a 10% discount code I'll pop down below. So underneath this video, see show more, click that. That'll bring up the description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening up and see what we got inside. So this is what it looks like inside, and in here details everything about the products inside the box. So I'll be referring to this as we go along, plus it gives you the value as well. It just says here, discover our Look Fantastic beauty chest, a stunning keepsake box. Oh my gosh, housing 10 premium beauty products worth over £300. Get yours now for only £80, non-subscribers £100. If I can find that online now, I'll pop it down below, but there might be like a waiting list link that I could pop down below anyway. I think in October's box on the back it had a look out for his and her stockings as well, so I haven't heard any more information about that yet, but no, Look Fantastic are coming out with quite a few things, aren't they? It's also got a sneak peek in here which I'll show you in a little while for December's box. It would be then, wouldn't it? December's box, my gosh. So inside you can see we've got an Elle magazine, so we get an Elle magazine subscription. So I'll let you have a sneak peek first, without anything dropping out. I forgot to say as well that even though I get these boxes as PR, I still have my subscription running. I took out a 12-month subscription a couple of months ago, so I'm locked in for 12 months, which is fine, but it means that those boxes I either keep for myself or I gift them to friends and family, or I put them up for giveaways on my Facebook page or my Instagram page, which is exactly the same name, Diaryofabeautygeek. So yeah, I've just finished some giveaways on there, so more giveaways will be going up in the next week or two, I think. It's the Hygge edition. Have I said that right? Hygge. And it says, this month is all about finding comfort and contentment in life's simple pleasures. And it says, our November beauty box contains 6 products to help you pamper yourself, add in a self-care ritual into your daily or weekly routine. So let's find a sneak peek for next month. Oh, we got a sneak peek on the back here, and it is a Sleek Eye Divine eyeshadow palette with £8.99. So in every single December box, we'll all be getting one of those. So there's that. Right, the first item, and we've got a So Eco, and this is a cognac sponge. It's cruelty-free and vegan. This product is 100% biodegradable and acts as a gentle exfoliator. This charcoal-infused sponge is ideal for someone with oily skin. So it looks like there. Oh my word, it's wet. It's already wet. Like, I've had a few of these before and normally they just look like an old rock. They're solid and quite crispy and dry and hard. And once you add water to them, they do develop into this lovely sponge. But no, this is already damp. And you can see it there. So it's got a little hanger. Oh, it feels, oh, it's nice and cold. And it's got here, proud to support Tree Nation. We are planting 1 tree for every 100 products sold. Oh, that's brilliant. Brilliant. So let's see if there's more information about it here. I wasn't expecting that to be wet. Right, this is worth £7 and it says here, a sponge made from vegetable fibres of the cognac plant. This 100% biodegradable sponge helps to gently cleanse and exfoliate with every use. Designed to help balance the pH of your skin, this sponge is suitable for all skin types. A little bit different. So that's the first item there. Next we got this works, and this is a deep sleep pillow spray. Fall asleep faster naturally and wake up refreshed. And we've got 10ml spray here. Now, I've had quite a few This Works sprays before, but I thought they were all the same, but they're not. I think I received one in a advent calendar, and it was a subscription box, I can't remember now, and it's a couples one. It's to just like promote relaxation and calmness and everything. You can spray it on your clothes, you can spray it on your bed, so a little bit different to the sleep one. So I'm wondering, deep sleep pillow spray. Have I had this before? I don't know. If you know, comment down below. If you think, Claire, you've had this a load of times, let me know. Let me read a little bit more about it. So this is worth £8 and it says, get a great night's sleep with this pillow spray, proven to help you fall asleep quicker and wake up feeling refreshed. Infused with super blender lavender, vetiver and chamomile, this pillow spray helps to calm mind and body, soothing you to sleep. I think it is the one that I normally get. The one that I get in a few different subscription boxes. It sounds like it anyway. The other one I was referring to sounded a little bit different, but yeah, so it's a nice spray. It is nice. I can't tell you for certain if it works. I can't, but I do know that it's really lovely and it just smells nice. And yeah, lavender is known to help, and chamomile, known to help you calm and relax and everything. So even though I've probably got a few of these, that's fine, because I do use them regularly. So is that. We've got something else that I've had quite a few times as well. This is, or maybe not. Oh my gosh, my mind is going, I've got a brain like a sieve. It is multi-purpose nourishing oil for face, body and hair. I'm sure it is. It's by Nux. Is it Nux? Nux? I don't know. 10ml. So it looks like there. I have had a few of these before. I like the one that is has sparkles in it. It's got like shimmery golden flecks. It's beautiful. I'm sure they say dry oil on them. This one doesn't say dry oil. It's a nourishing oil. I'm going to have to look online, aren't I? Hold on a minute. No, they are different. They are different. The one I've tried before are dry oils. This is a nourishing oil. So I'll have a little read in the booklet about more information. But we have got here, this is 10ml. Did I show you? I can't remember now. Apologies if I have. So this is worth £4.50 and it says, in just one step, achieve nourish, softer and comfortable skin. Combining intense nutrition with a subtle fragrance, this rich oil nourishes, repairs and leaves a satin finish. Able to be used on face, body and hair, this multi-use oil is a cold weather saviour. And it says for an intense hydration boost, use instead of a moisturizer. So yeah, again, I'm going to have to look into that. Same with the This Works, isn't it? Two products that I think we've had a few times and maybe once or twice in a Look Fantastic as well, but actually I might not have done. I don't think so anyway. This definitely says nourishing and the other one definitely says dry oil. So why are the packaging so similar? I'll have a look. I'll have a look online, and if there's any difference or if I'm talking a load of rubbish, I will comment down below so that you know. Next we've got a product by Dr. Botanicals and this is hemp infused natural nutrition moisturizer, and we've got 30ml. This range is gorgeous. It is really, really lovely. Is it part of the Apothecary? Yeah, Apothecary collection. They do sleep masks, they do face exfoliators. There's lots and lots to the range, but it's all natural, cruelty-free and vegan. And yeah, 98% natural it says here. Whoa, that is green. I was expecting it to be just clear. Wow, it does blend into nothing. You're not going to be left with a green cast. Oh, it smells so nice. Really, really fresh. Really, really fresh. And it smells almost like lemons in there as well. Oh, I like that. This is worth £12 and it says, infused with hemp seed oil and cocoa butter, this day moisturiser protects, nourishes and hydrates the complexion. Containing 2% hemp seed oil, this whip moisturiser provides essential fatty acids that help provide the skin with essential vitamins and minerals. And then it says, to apply onto the skin, apply it in circular motions going upwards to increase circulation. So yeah, so that's our, I think it's number 4. I think it's number 4. And we got a product by Esbar, another brand I really like. Inner Beauty, Inner Calm. And it's a Soothe and Firm Body Butter. Intensely rich body moisturiser to soothe and tone. And we've got 30 mils here. I love the sound of body butters. Body butters, they just sound lovely, don't they? Just nice and thick and luxurious. And yeah, I haven't tried this before. Yeah, that is lovely. Right, so this is worth £8.33 and it says lather the body in this nourishing body butter, leaving skin soft and supple. I should know by now. It's not subtle, supple. Enriched with hydrating larch and smoothing pumpkin seed extract, this body butter deeply moisturises and evens skin tone. Delicately fragranced with rose, patchouli and mandarin essential oils, indulge in a moment of self-care with this body butter. And it just says to apply it morning or evening after a shower or a bath and take your time to massage it into your body. So there's that. And we got a mask. We got a mask by Skimono, and this is a intense, oh, it's a hand one. Intense Nourishment Plus, a revitalising serum enriched with shea butter, aloe vera and hyaluronic acid in an innovative glove mask. We've got 2 gloves there. Hopefully you'll be able to see that through the ring light. Ooh, there. And then it shows you how to apply it there. I love the hand ones. I really do love the hand ones. My hands are not the greatest. I've got really dry cuticles, my nails break. Anything to help them, I'm really happy. We seem to have gone through a massive phase of having face sheet masks in our subscription boxes, which is nothing wrong with them. But having them regularly, it's a little bit boring, if I'm honest. If I'm honest, I know we're all different. I do like them. I use them 2, maybe 3 times a week. I just get my makeup off at night and then I just slap one on my face for about 10-15 minutes and then, yeah, I leave them like that. I think they're nice and refreshing. It's not that I don't like them. It's just that I think because I've had quite a few now and I've still got quite a few lying around as well. So it's like, it doesn't excite me as much, but a hand one or a foot one, yeah, I do really like that. It's a little bit different. We have had them in subscription boxes, but not as many as like face sheet masks then, if you know what I mean. Am I the only one thinking that, or do you think that as well? But yeah, so that is all. Oh no! I am really scatty in this video. I've got to tell you about it, haven't I? Right. This is worth £9.99 and it says here, designed for hard-working hands. This unique mask soothes and moisturises the hands. A unique biocellulose glove inspired by a multi-layered kimono. This hand mask is saturated in a formula rich in shea butter, aloe vera and hyaluronic acid to promote supple and smooth skin. Why do I keep doing that? I know I've got dyslexia, so I see words as different words regularly, but it's always that word. Always subtle, supple, subtle. I'm sorry. And it just goes on to say, slip your hand in the glove, sealing it with the stickers, leave on for 20 to 30 minutes, and then massage remaining serum into your hands. So those are all the products. So I'm just going to add them all up and then I'll come back to you. So these are all the products inside November's Look Fantastic box, and all the products come to around £59. I love the colours as well. I just realised they're all like complementing shades of green and yellow. But yeah, I think it's a really lovely box. You look fantastic for the value. I think is brilliant. Initially I was a little bit like, oh no, we've had this before. We had these 2 then before. But on closer inspection, I don't think we have. Maybe this is a new product, I don't know. And the pillow spray, I might have it. I don't know. So overall, I am really happy. I think there's some really lovely products there. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box or November's box if you're watching this early? All your thoughts and comments, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.